In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a demo AI agent in n8n that chats, uses tools, and remembers context. By the end, you'll have a working showcase that accepts messages, chooses the right tool for the task, and replies with live, helpful answers. We'll begin by creating the chat entry point. Add the example chat node with the chat trigger type. Give it a clear title, a short subtitle, and a friendly welcome so users know where to start. Anything they type here triggers the workflow and goes straight to the agent. Next, add the brain of the system, your first AI agent, using the LangChain.agent type. It reads each message, decides whether it needs outside information, and crafts a helpful reply. Set the system message to define a friendly, educational, proactive tone. In instructions, outline how the agent should call tools, how memory works, and the behaviors you expect. Good guidance here dramatically improves responses. Now equip the agent with tools. Start with Get News using the RSS feed read tool. Point it to RSS feeds from reliable sources, and the agent can fetch the latest items on demand, summarize them, and share links. Then add Get Weather with the HTTP request tool. Configure it for current, hourly, or daily forecasts. The agent can infer latitude and longitude from a location name and return accurate conditions and outlooks. To keep conversations coherent, add conversation memory with the memory buffer window type. Store the last 30 messages so the agent can reference what was just discussed, handle follow-ups, and maintain continuity across turns. For language generation, connect Gemini with the LM Google Gemini node. This supplies the model that actually writes the responses. Authenticate with your credentials from Google AI Studio, then make this connection available to the agent. Use sticky notes on the canvas to document how to edit the system message, how to connect Gemini, and how the news and weather tools behave. Clear notes make the workflow easier to maintain and share. Finally, wire everything together. Messages flow from example chat to your first AI agent. The agent can call Get News or Get Weather as needed, consult conversation memory for context, and use Connect Gemini as the language model backend. That's it. You now have a complete demo AI agent in n8n that chats with users, uses external tools, maintains context, and responds intelligently, perfect for showcasing AI agents or forming the foundation of your own assistant.